Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mahesh Supari. Hope you're doing great. And today we are diving into an exciting topic, how to make money with affiliate marketing without needing a website. Whether you are just looking to make a quick buck or you're planning to build a long-term passive income stream, this video has got you covered. And guys, by any chance, if you're really interested in my preferred way to make around $5,000 to $10,000 every month from comfort of your home as a complete beginner, then I request you to please visit the first link, get registered and watch the free masterclass. Just imagine if an ordinary person like me with English as a third language who can craft automated systems and make money in dollars, if I can do it, why can't you follow the exact same strategy and make money for your success? Now, let's get started. First things first, what exactly is affiliate marketing? In simple terms, affiliate marketing is when you, the marketer, earn commissions by promoting someone else's products online. You can do this through various channels like YouTube, forums, email, Facebook, ads, and many more. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's break down the basics. To make serious money online, you need something to market, an affiliate product or offer. This could be a physical product like a supplement or a digital product like an online webinar or ebook. Start by picking a niche you are familiar with to save on research time. Choosing the right product can make a huge difference in your success. Equally important is picking the best traffic sources. For example, if you choose to promote a fitness product, you should target your ads towards people interested in fitness. You can use specific websites, social media platforms, or email lists to reach your audience. The goal is to connect your offer with the right people. Now let's talk about landing pages. A landing page is like a one-page website that serves as an intermediary between your ad and the sales page. It can significantly boost your credibility and conversions. Tools like ClickFunnels, Systemy.io, eStage can make it easy to create landing pages that attract customers. So don't worry, I would be linking everything which I mentioned in this video in the description down below, so it would be very easy to access. Alright, now let's dive into the top 5 ways to make money online with affiliate marketing without needing a website. Number 1 in the list is leverage every social media platform. For example, say most of us spend a lot of time on social media, right? But did you know you can use it to make money? So let's break down how you can use, for example, say Facebook, Instagram and Pinterest. With over 2.9 billion users, Facebook is a goldmine for affiliate marketers. Start small, build your network by joining groups and provide value before sharing your affiliate links. You can also use Facebook ads to reach a wider audience. Number 2, Instagram. You know, Instagram is all about visuals. Create high quality content that stands out. Use Instagram stories and bio links to redirect traffic to your offers. Build connections, post frequently, and engage with your audience. And the third one is Pinterest. You know, Pinterest works like a search engine. Create boards, add pins, and make sure to hyperlink them with your affiliate offers. This platform is underrated but highly effective for driving traffic. Number 2 in the list is harness the power of advertisements. Growing organically takes time, so consider using ads for quicker results. Solo ads are emails where your ad is the only promotional content. Connect with email list managers in your niche to feature your advertisement. Pay-per-click advertisements can be very lucrative. Create compelling ads on platforms like Google and Facebook. Target the right audience and optimize your strategy. And native ads blend in with the content where they appear. Use eye-catching visuals and well-written content to promote your offers. And number 3, hop on forums. Find online communities related to your niche, participate in discussions, provide value, and share your affiliate links where appropriate. Reddit is a great place to start. Alright, and number 4 in the list, get creative on YouTube. You know, YouTube offers 2 powerful methods: organic content creation and paid advertising. Create a YouTube channel, produce relevant videos, and link your affiliate products in the description. This method requires time and effort but can be highly rewarding. And paid advertising, here use different ad formats like in-video, bumper, or overlay ads to promote your products. Experiment to see what works best for your niche. And number 5, build a community through email marketing. Email marketing is incredibly powerful. Build your email list by offering free resources or through surveys. Once you have a list, send personalized offers and newsletters. This way, you can promote multiple products directly to your audience. And guys, if you need extra help to make your first sale, check out the first link in the description down below. There is a detailed free masterclass where you can come across with affiliate marketing. Okay, I request you to watch that free masterclass completely so that you would be getting a clear short idea how you could work on affiliate marketing as a complete beginner. All right, guys. So don't forget to visit the first link, get registered, and watch the presentation. And there you have it, guys. Making money online with affiliate marketing without a website is not only possible but can be quite profitable. Whether you use social media, ads, forums, YouTube, or email marketing, there are plenty of ways to get started. Remember, it takes time and effort, so be patient and persistent. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. And guys, on this channel, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. So if you're watching this video for the first time, then please do subscribe and hit that notification bell. As I said, why? Because you won't be missing any next notification. And for my favorite strategy to make money online, then I request you to please visit the first link, get registered, and watch the complete free presentation. And this is an absolute beginner friendly, and anyone can work from home with your phone or laptop with an internet connection for sure. Okay, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll meet you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.